Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Suzuki GSX-R750. This middleweight Supersport just arrived with only 21,000 miles. Really beautiful condition. Satin black with silver highlights. And it's got some great carbon fiber pieces, including the front fender, the inner fairing, frame covers, and the rear tire cover. Wait till you hear this Yoshimura exhaust, smoke windscreen, fender illuminator, seat cowl. We also have the rear seat if you want to ride two up. Brand new rear tire. Come on by, make your GSX-R750 dreams come true for just $49.99. This bike is not going to be here long. No financing on this one. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.